Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Jira notification schemes for a team. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Jira notification schemes for a team, start by logging into your Jira account. Once logged in, navigate to the Jira dashboard. On the main navigation bar, find and click on the Projects tab. Select the project associated with the team whose notifications you want to disable. After opening the project, look for the Project Settings option in the left sidebar. Click on Project Settings to open the Project Configuration menu. Next, locate the Notifications option in the Settings menu. Click on Notifications to access the current notification scheme. Review the existing notification scheme to identify which notifications you want to disable. To modify the scheme, click on the Actions button, usually found at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Notifications. In the Edit view, you will see the list of events and the recipients associated with each event. To disable notifications for a specific event, locate that event in the list. Next to the event, look for the recipient group or user configurations. You have two options: remove specific users/groups or change the recipients entirely. To remove a recipient, simply click the X or Remove option beside their name. If you want to change the recipient, click on the field and select a different group or user. Repeat this process for each event you want to modify. Ensure that you've reviewed all notification settings relevant to your team's needs. Once you've made all necessary changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your changes will take effect immediately, and notifications for the specified events will be disabled for your team. Lastly, inform your team about the updated notification settings for effective communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.